Hey everyone, welcome to another episode here on BrewTube. Today we're going to set up a Wiz Smart Wi-Fi remote. We're going to go over how to change some of the presets, and we're going to go over a tip to avoid potentially killing your remote. First thing you're going to want to do is open up the Wiz Connected app that you have on your phone. In the Wiz Connected app, the first thing that you're going to do is go to which room that you want to add the remote to. They only work for one room. You can later on change which room that you want them to go to. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit the plus in the top corner of your phone. You're going to go to Wizmote on the section, and it's going to tell you to press the on button 3 times and wait for a few seconds. So 1, 2, 3. It recognized it immediately. Click finish. You can rename it if you want. I'm just going to go ahead and hit finish. All right, now to change the presets on your remote, which is the 1, 2, 3, and 4, you're gonna go to settings down in the bottom right-hand corner. You're gonna go to accessories and then pick which remote that you want to open. I'm gonna pick the bottom one for the office because that's the one we just synced. Now in here, you have options to change your presets 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can add it to another room, or you can delete the remote. So first thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick the 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now on this, we're gonna go down and click on the 3 and change that from focus to relax. So all you do is click on relax, hit save, and it's changed. So now if we hit 3, they all change to relax. If we hit 4, it's to fireplace, because that's what the preset was. All right, if we want to change another one, let's change fireplace. So we're going to go in here, press the 4. We're going to go down to, let's go with party for fun. Hit save. Now click on 4, and it's a party. So I'm going to go back to number 2. As you can see, it's pretty responsive in how quickly it changes. You can change the speed of how quickly it fades in and fades out down at the bottom of the app. I'm just gonna leave it as normal, but I'm gonna press and see how quickly the light will change for us. So I've got the light right here. We'll see how quickly it'll change. All right, let's see if you can hear it. I mean, that's pretty quick. There's not really any delay there. I mean, that's pretty fast. So like that. All right, so what you're gonna wanna not do is whenever you are using the remote and you think you wanna delete your remote, don't do it. Don't go into settings, don't go to accessories, don't click on that one remote and delete it. If you click on that remote and delete it, from what I can tell, is dead. I have 2 remotes that are bricked. I deleted both of them when trying to shoot this video, and I deleted it so that way I could reshoot how to hook it up. Whenever I did that, the remote, whenever I tried to reconnect it and hit the on button, the light turned on, but it wouldn't connect after a couple of attempts. And after 2 attempts, the remote itself actually got really warm. So I took off the back cover, felt the batteries. The batteries were pretty hot. So took out the batteries and tried it again with another remote, and I got the same result. So now I have 2 dead remotes. So that's one thing that I would avoid doing if you don't want to just kill your remote. Yeah, I just wanted to clarify, I did try to hook up the remotes again a couple of days later. Today actually, still have the same issue with the remotes. Batteries are still warm to the touch, but both of my remotes are dead. All right, this has been the second episode here on BrewTube. Please stay tuned for more videos and hit that like and subscribe if you enjoyed today's video. Thank you.